Good morning, Mixed Legacy, and I am so sorry that this good morning from me is not with the kids in the car or at home before the kids ever got in the car. Today was a little abnormal, and yesterday we owe you our deepest apologies for not being able to get a video out yesterday. So we do apologize that we were not able to get a video out yesterday, but we are back, and if nothing else, it's me improvising. So today was a little hard to capture very much video because we had to leave so early. Was you up when your mama left this morning with me? A little bit.
I bet I was up before y'all.
Really? Well, you didn't take very long to wake up this morning. Was you up?
Yeah.
So we hit 600 subscribers last night.
Whoop whoop. That dude I was watching last night, he cracked me up. That was hilarious. He was like, I tried to ask her out the prom and she waylaid me. I gotta get on at 7:30 to watch stream.
To watch what? 7:30 a.m.? Like this morning or this afternoon?
PM.
Oh, okay.
They wouldn't keep you out at 7:30 unless they really are mad at you.
No, y'all can go on.
No, the coaches probably don't even want to stay that late.
Okay. I'm excited though, y'all. Or at least Bubba, because they ain't got the schedule for Aiden yet. First football game will be September 11th.
We did get a schedule.
Well, your mom didn't have it yesterday when we were talking. She said she just had to get that one. Because the one she had only had the 8th grade on it. Unless you gave her something yesterday. Oh my goodness, look at all those birds.
Oh yeah, they used to do that. I feel like they're gathering up to attack us.
When I was in, I used to ride the bus to school. Anytime it was like a whole bunch of birds, I always thought the world was going to end. And they wouldn't be posted like this. They would just like fly over. But it'd be like 5 minutes of all these birds flying over. And I was terrified. That was because, I mean, it looked, have y'all ever seen the movie where the birds are like attackers? Where there's so many of them you can't go outside or nothing, is what the movie's like.
I saw one where it was like the stages of the world.
Yeah, different plagues.
That was scary. They killed that creature so fast.
So did you watch all the VMAs, Mimi?
I tried.
Yeah. Anything good that you saw?
I guess J-Lo's performance.
Oh, okay. She performed?
Yeah. And Ariana's.
Alright, love y'all. Have a good day. Be careful. Be safe.
Who Mimi is this bird or what? He ain't the first one out. Exactly. You're like, that's right, you gotta get out.
How did you manage to get ready without having to get ready in the car? a whole hour earlier. Girl, why am I sitting here and I can go right? Mimi. Lord have mercy. Just sitting there. Just wait.
Jade, Michael Sean. It's going to be hot and humid today. High around 95.
Do you want me to drop you off, or do you want to sit in the car for a few minutes? Because I think the doors might still be locked, you know?
Yeah.
Where you want to get out at?
Right here.
Alright, love you. Have a good day. So, the boys had football this morning. Uriah specifically, but Aiden goes ahead and goes with him. I wanted to shout out Fuchsia Studios. I had such a good time on the live stream yesterday. Great people, great community within the chat. Down the rabbit hole, Polynesian vlogger, Sylvia W. Brenda's beauty blog was in there. I mean, tons of people, tons. ATJH Travels. Oh goodness, there's so many names. Wounded Moose. Just so many great channels. But just the community aspect of it, as far as the chat, everyone was super nice. Hashtag Blue Wrench Group. But it was really fun, so I had a good time. So if you do not have Fuchsia Studios or any of those channels that I just named off, make sure to go and check those out. Shout out to you guys, and I wish all the continued success for you and your channels. But yeah, so I am on my way back home from dropping the kids off. Like I said, we're a whole hour and a half early. I'm getting home the same amount of time that I would be just dropping off Amelia, and then usually the boys after. But during football season it rotates, so the boys have the earlier schedule because of practice. And so since now there's two, because Aiden didn't play football last year, the school that he was at didn't have it at his school. So he had to wait till he got into junior high again, or to play again, because he played since Pop Warner. This car behind me is driving a little fast for 7 o'clock in the morning. They must be running late. Check out this sunrise, Mixed Legacy. Pretty bird.